Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to make money with TikTok and affiliate marketing. Actually, I'm going to show you how you can use robots to make these videos, TikTok videos, in just 5 minutes with just a few pushes of the button. And not just that, but I'm actually going to show you how you can double your earnings. So make sure to watch this video very carefully. With that being said, let's start. Okay guys, so obviously first thing you need to do, you need to make your TikTok page. Now second thing you need to do, you actually need to choose a niche for that TikTok page. After that you need to add an eye-catchy profile image. You need to include your main keyword in the name of that TikTok page. And you need to add a bio that is really important, and in that bio you need to add a call to action. As you can see here, hit that follow button. And you need to add a link to your blog, to your website, to your YouTube channel, to your Bleach page, or whatever you want. Now after that, you need to start uploading videos every day. And that is where many people have problem. They don't know how to make these videos. They don't have enough inspiration to upload videos every day. And that is what you need. And that is why you need this software that I'm going to show you later that will help you to make these videos in just 5 minutes. So let's say I wish to promote affiliate products in this page, in this TikTok page. So what you can do is you can actually find those products on ClickBank, on JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or any other affiliate network. But for this example, let's just say I wish to use Digistore24. And because we are talking about making money online and affiliate marketing, what I need to do, I need to scroll here and I need to click here on e-business and e-marketing. And you need to go through these products to see and to do research and see which of these products is actually best for you to promote. And quite often you can find good products, maybe even better products on second page. So let's say I wish to promote this product here, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Now what we need to do, we actually need to open their sales page, and we also need to open their affiliate tools page, because we are going to need both of these, their sales page and their affiliate tools page. So let me just go on their home page, and this is how it looks. So now when we have our TikTok page and when we have our product that we wish to promote, now we actually need to start making videos for this product here. Okay, so to make these videos, what you need to do, you need to go on a website called Pictory. And these guys actually have 3 plans, paid plans, but what you need to do, you need to click here on Get Started for free, no credit card required. And you need to confirm your email. And actually, I'm going to show you later how you can make money faster by using this bot and switch to one of these paid plans. And after you confirm your email, you need to log into your dashboard. And after that, you will be able to make videos. So when you come here, what you can do is you can simply click here on Script to Video. Just click here on Proceed. And here you can actually write your own script. And these guys will automatically create a video by your own script. But I'm guessing that most of you are beginners and are not that good in writing scripts. So what you can do is you can simply go back on their sales page and you can simply highlight everything here, Control C, and you can go back here and you can paste everything here and then click here on Proceed, and these guys will make a video from this article here, from this text. Or what you can do is, so let me just delete this. Okay, you can also go on their affiliate tools page, and then you can click here on email swipes, and you can click on one of these emails and you can simply copy this, Control C, okay, Control C, and you can paste that here, and again just click here on Proceed, and they will automatically create a video from this script. But maybe even easier option is to, so let me just go back here, to actually, so let me just, is to actually go back on their sales page and to actually Control C to copy the URL of their homepage and to paste it here, okay? And then click here on Proceed, and they will automatically create a video from their sales page, so you don't have to do that by yourself manually like I did here. You don't need to copy this text. They will automatically do that, and they will actually create a video for TikTok and also for YouTube. So what you need to do, you need to click here on Next, and you need to choose a format. And because we are making video for TikTok in this case, I'm going to click here 9:6 portrait. But like I said, they will make a video for Facebook and also for YouTube. But I will click here on portrait, click here, and give it a few seconds to actually process this. So I will just wait for a few seconds. I hope this will finish in just a few seconds. Okay, This is completed. And here you can see how this video looks. And you can add some scenes. You can preview each of these scenes. Just click here on preview. And you can preview, as you can see here, text. You can change this text if you want. So let me just pause this. And you can also add a voiceover. So just click here on audio, okay? And then click here on voiceover. And here you can choose one of the voiceover. So let's just say Debbie here, for example. And when I click here on voiceover.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases.
Now this is not the best voiceover. You can choose one of these if you want, or you can simply add your own voiceover, or you can simply go on Fiverr and pay someone to do a voiceover for you, or you can simply add just a music. You don't even have to add a voiceover or anything like that. And like I said, you can add some scenes, you can remove some scenes, and after you finish everything, here you can see it is 17 seconds long video. And after you finish everything, you can click here on generate video and they will automatically create a video for you that you can upload on TikTok. And after this software finish making this video, what you need to do after that is simply go back here on your TikTok page and upload that video here on your TikTok page. And as you can see, you can literally make these videos in just 5 minutes and you can upload these videos every day. And you can add call to action so people can click on your affiliate link here in the bio and you can start making money. Okay, I promised you that I'm going to show you how you can make money faster by using this software. So what you can do is you can simply go on Upwork and here in search bar you can type something like TikTok video and then click here on search and then I'm a freelancer looking to find work for my skill. Click here and here you can actually see there are many people who are looking for TikTok video creators and many of these people are actually looking for someone who will create a TikTok video for their product. And what you need to do, you need to do exactly the same thing that I just showed you. You need to go back on their homepage and you need to copy the URL of their homepage and you need to go back on this software, just paste it. So let me just go back here and you need to paste that link here. Okay, article to video and then click here proceed and like I said, this software will automatically create a video, promotional video from their homepage, from the homepage of your client. And then you can simply deliver that video to your client and you can earn $20-30 from making those simple videos in just 5 minutes. Really easy, really simple. And like I said, there are many people here on Upwork who are looking for people who will create videos for their products. And you can also create a Fiverr gig. You can also create a gig on People Per Hour, Freelance.com and other similar websites. And you can offer that service to create videos, TikTok videos for them, for their product. And like I said, you can earn $20-30 per video and then you can switch to one of the paid plans of this software and you can start making even more money. So this is how to make money with TikTok and affiliate marketing as a beginner by using robots. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.